my lovely viewers, hello and welcome for another video with me. I'm IULI and I'm welcome you all on my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me. Thank you for all the support that you offer me. In today's video I want to share with you a DIY project, how you can do it yourself at home, how to dye your own clothing using dye in the washing machine. Simple steps to follow, you will see it is not very complicated. I've done it before so many times. This is one of the pieces that I'm wearing today that I've been dyeing in the washing machine. Was a vintage dress, and it still is a vintage dress, but the color, the original color was more like an ivory color, which didn't really flatter me. I mean, I didn't like it, to be honest, and I decided to change it a little bit, the vibe of the dress, and I created this lovely bright sunny yellow. It looks a little bit brighter, but it is subtle, it's not super bright. I love the dress, I love it, it's so flattering. I love the puffy sleeves with the panels of lace inserts around the sleeves, around the bust area, waist, and all along the length of the dress. It gets up to my ankles, and I wore it a few times. I think I posted a few pictures last year for a photo shoot or a visit to lavender field with a friend of mine. I will insert here a picture somewhere. And by the way, follow me on my Instagram, which is IULI Fencing. I'm a little bit more active there than on YouTube. Now let's move on to today's video. Enjoy the steps and let me know in the comments if you ever dye your clothing and what was your results. The dress is ivory color. I don't know the fabric. It looks like, I don't know, it's very stiff a little bit. It might be a mix of linen and polyester, I'm not sure. It doesn't say on the label. This is a vintage dress. And now the key point is to add the rinse cycle. Two minutes in the rinse cycle, and now it's time to add the color. I'm using for this dress and blouse lemon yellow. So how I usually do, I don't add it here on top where the detergent should be. I open the door. Everything should be soaking wet. Shake it well. Always follow the instruction that it says on the back of your paint or dye. It's cotton, linen, rayon, silk, wool and nylon. And because I don't know what fabric the dress has in, I will add salt, sea salt, and vinegar. So I added around 50 grams of salt. I will add now the vinegar, around 100 milliliters. And now I will add the color. Let me shake it a little bit more. I've added half of this bottle, and now we close it. like, click the subscribe, click the tiny bell that is next to subscribe. That will tell you when my next video will be up. That will be like a notification to tell you when my next video will be up on my channel. And please check my last video where I share with you how to disinfect and clean your sterling silver jewelry. That's a small trick as well, a DIY project that I do it at home. And until the next time, look after yourself, look after your family, stay strong, stay positive, and call somebody and tell them that you love them. We all need more love in the world than ever this time. Until the next time, bye bye for now.